Let's create a fun, modern electric grid. Hey there, I'm Lauren Jackson, an APQS sales rep and educator, and I want to show you how you can do this fun background design. We've created a grid in our workspace by utilizing a stencil to give us nice even blocks to work within. We're going to do a simple back and forth fill as we run through the blocks. Taking care to alter or switch up direction as you change which block you're going to. It's okay if your blocks are not consistently going left and right or top and bottom. I think you'll find that by the time you're done with this design, no matter what you do, it's going to look okay. Just be consistent throughout. Here I've kind of quilted myself into a corner, so now I have to find a creative way to get out of it. I'm just going to come down here and go ahead and move on to the next block. If that makes sense. By the time I'm all done, you're not going to see that little snafu, and I'll continue to do it as I'm quilting throughout my quilt. If your quilt and your thread are blending in color, it's just going to create this really cool background texture that's going to allow you to kind of see some foreground and background shadowing as you're quilting down some areas and letting some other areas kind of puff up to the top. But this can be a fun modern background fill for any quilt. Don't worry if your grid doesn't perfectly fill your whole space. You can always get creative and make it look as though that design is blending into the bottom as it should be. Thank you guys for joining me. Again, I'm Lauren Jackson, your APQS sales rep and educator, and I wanted to share this design with you. Take care and happy quilting!